Hi! In front of me is Motorola Edge 30 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply iOS Launcher on this smartphone. You need to begin by opening Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Now type in iOS Launcher and download this app from this developer. When it's ready, you need to open it and wait for the pop-ups to show. Now, in order to use this app, you need to choose Allow while using and Allow in all of the pop-ups. So while using the app, Allow, Allow. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And add. So now you need to swipe up from the bottom of the screen and click on Home button. After that, access Devices Settings and click on Apps section. Then click on Default Apps and finally select Home app. To apply iOS Launcher, you need to tap on it, choose Got It in the pop-up, and as you can see after that, Apple Layout was applied successfully on this Motorola. If you want to switch between your layouts though, you can always do that by going into the same settings and tapping on preferable launcher, Motorola or iOS. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!